if you want to decide what is optimal climate policy, you cannot simply go to the capital market and say, well, look, this is what we see as the interest rate, as return on capital, therefore, and then you say, now we form expectations on what the capital markets will do in the future, so these are the expected returns, and then use these returns for your climate change policy assessment. Because we find that actually capital markets and climate policy should be two separate decisions. If you want to find a real efficient solution where the returns on all assets are the same, then actually the only solution is indeed to go towards low discount rates, which means increasing your savings and increasing your investments in capital. But if increasing investments in capital is not feasible politically or practically, then you cannot jump to the conclusion, which we economists often do, that therefore efficient climate policy must also be based on a high discount rate. So it gives an argument why we really should, policy should really look for how much do people care for the future. There is no way that we can collect that information from markets, because there is no market essentially for intergenerational welfare transfers. So as there is no market, you cannot collect the information from the market. The only way is to inform the people, to honestly tell them this is what we think are the possible consequences of our current climate policies, and then they should be given the question, the choice, the question, if you want to reduce temperature change, expected temperature change by the year 2200 from 4 degrees to 3 degrees Celsius. That would mean delay in our economic growth by 1 year. Would it be worse, such a delay? Yes or no? That's the choice that we have to make. And then honestly, in a certain way, find out, ask the people, find out whether people think that 1 year delay is worth the price to pay for, say, a 1 degree Celsius temperature decrease in the year 2300.